I am ready to take a Canvas new quiz. How do I enable ReadSpeaker to read my questions? Let's first click on Begin. We know this is a Canvas new quiz because the question number is in a black box. Click on the tab to activate ReadSpeaker. Use the handlebar to drag it where you want it on the page. Highlight the question and click Listen.
Which of the following was the first mechanical form of writing?
Highlight the answers and click Listen.
Manual typewriter, word processor, electric typewriter, dictation.
Our answer is manual typewriter. Moving on to question 2, we will repeat the same process.
TTS stands for text-to-speech. True. False.
We know the answer is false. When you are ready, click Submit. Confirm your submission by clicking Submit. You have now used ReadSpeaker webReader to read your Canvas new quiz.